Today we will learn one simple trick that makes mastering English tenses easy and fast.
I will explain the trick step by step and show how to use it in speaking and writing.
Tenses feel hard because there are many forms, but the trick reduces them to one quick decision process.
Call this the time anchor routine. Ask 3 quick questions, place the action on a timeline, and pick the matching formula.
First question. When did the action happen? Present, past, or future? Saying this aloud narrows your choices immediately.
Second question, is the action finished, ongoing, or linked to now? This decides simple, continuous, or perfect aspects.
Third question. How long or when exactly? Words like for, since, yesterday, and tomorrow act like magnets for certain tenses.
Combine answers and you have the tense. For example, past plus finished, das simple past, present plus linked to now, as present perfect.
Use a tiny timeline sketch. Draw a dot for now, add a point for past, and an arrow for future. Place your action as a dot, line, or arrow and read it out.
If the action is a short finished event in the past, put a dot before now and use the simple past form. I ate, she left, they arrived.
If the action is happening now, draw a line around now and choose present continuous. I am eating, she is leaving.
If the action started in the past and connects to now, draw a line from the past dot to now and use present perfect. I have eaten. She has visited.
For future plans, place an arrow after now and use will or going to, depending on intention. I will go, I am going to travel.
A small mental checklist helps. Time, finished or ongoing, linked to now. Answering these 3 quickly gives the tense.
Practice the routine with simple verbs first. Use your own daily activities like eat, study, go, and sleep to make personal examples.
Make mini exercises. Read a sentence, ask the 3 questions, then say the tense aloud. Repeat for 10 sentences each day.
When you speak, say the time word first. For example, say yesterday, then form the sentence. The time anchor primes your verb form.
Use signal words as anchors. Always, every day for simple present. Now, at the moment for continuous. Already, yet, since for perfect tenses.
Memorize one formula for each pattern. Simple, gero, base, or past. Continuous, babaus, be plus ing. Perfect, have plus past participle. Perfect, continuous. Tas have been plus ing.
Combine the formula with your time anchor decision and you will rarely choose the wrong tense.
Keep a pocket notebook of examples arranged on tiny timelines. Rewrite short paragraphs, changing the time anchor to practice shifting tenses.
Listen for the time anchor when you watch shows or listen to podcasts. Pause, name the time, and identify the tense used. Active listening trains automatic choices.
Use substitution practice. Take one sentence and change the time anchor, then transform the verb accordingly. This builds agility across forms.
When 2 past actions are involved, use the timeline to decide which came first. The earlier one uses past perfect, while the later uses simple past.
For reported speech and conditional sentences, place events on the timeline and follow the same decision routine. The trick still applies.
Record yourself speaking and check whether your time anchors match your verb forms. Correct mismatches and repeat the sentences.
Teach the routine to a friend. Explaining the 3 quick questions and timeline makes the idea clearer and reinforces your memory.
The time anchor routine reduces hesitation. It turns complex rules into a simple, repeatable habit you can use in real time.
Try concrete sets of time anchors. Yesterday, last week, since 2019 for 2 hours, tomorrow morning. These small phrases instantly point to a tense.
Work with short model sentences across all 3 time boxes and say them aloud. I study, I studied, I will study, I am studying, I was studying, I will be studying.
Make a habit of naming the anchor before speaking. It slows you briefly but builds accuracy until choosing the right tense becomes automatic.
With steady daily practice, the time anchor routine becomes a natural mental check that leads to confident speaking and clearer writing.
In this video, we learned one simple trick. Use 3 quick questions, a small timeline, and a matching formula to choose tenses quickly and naturally.
We learned practical steps to practice the trick. Use personal verbs, read time words first, do substitution drills, listen actively, and teach others to reinforce learning and fluency.